Man, here we go with another problem, man. I don't think this is the right uh sensor because it's not threading in there right. Like it's binding up like probably like right there at the second or third thread, man. Uh so what I probably do is just send that whole doggone relay kit back and try to find the right one, man. I hate that crap. I hate that crap. But in the meantime, between time, hey, y'all see we out here grinding, man. See we out here grinding, doing our doggone thing, but every time, man, it's always some bull crap. But what I probably do is, like I said, go take that stuff back, send it back, and then just go ahead and start filling this radiator and everything up. So at least when we get a relay, the right stuff, we can just go ahead and hook it up. Um, I guess since I did that, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm sitting here blabbing y'all because that's a little unfortunate. You know what I'm saying? I thought we was gonna go ahead and have this thing together. What can you do, man? What can you do? I said, hey yo, this your boy Tulu back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Let me hear. Let me hear. Hey, that's what's up, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, keep grinding, keep growing, keep doing your thing. And for those who it ain't going so well for right now, y'all already know, like I say, man, hey, it ain't always cupcakes and rainbows out here. This is real life. Life be life. But you know what I'm saying? Just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes. Tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation. So, hey, chin up, keep trucking. And if you see somebody out here getting theirs right now, you know what I'm saying? Somebody out here getting they just dues. Listen, don't hate on it. Just wait on it. You know what I'm saying? Your time could be coming up next, man. Hey, it's been some beautiful weather here in the beginning of August, man. These past few mornings, man, it's been like 68, 73. Feels good out here, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip to it, man. We're gonna go ahead and get to work, bro. You know what I'm saying? All right, so today, if y'all don't remember from a few videos ago, we was trying to put this relay kit here on the fans so we can get our fans turned on, but the unit that they sent me, the sender unit that they sent me with that kit did not fit. So I ordered one, and I'll put the company's name up here. I think it's American Boat, something like that. And they have what's called a the fan temperature switch sensor, right? So if you look right here, hopefully adjust. Come on, man. Focus. Bro, this junk is tripping. I don't know if y'all can see that, but right here on that side, it says 170 Fahrenheit. So what that is this switch right here will go to hit the relay, and this will make the fan come on at 170 degrees, and then I think it also will shut off when it reaches like 150 or something like that. I could put the stuff in the description or up here on the camera, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be installing that, and I did have to go buy a whole nother adapter kit. 87, shout out my people over there, AutoZone. Had to buy a whole nother adapter kit just for one adapter, man. That's crazy. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is start jumping in this thing, wiring this thing up. This pretty much is like the relay setup. Like I said, I'm probably gonna put it over here. Like I said, it has 4 wires, so This red is gonna go straight to the battery. The black will go straight to the sending unit that we have over there. We're gonna have to put it right here on this side of the block. Well, heads. And the gray will go to the key on power that we have right here, and then the brown will connect to my fans, which we have right here. Now the thing with that is I know it's probably thinking too deep, but I do have my trans cooler fan hooked up to it, right? So I was wondering, like, will it come on at the same time or will it run by itself? I don't know if that makes a difference, man. If y'all will, hey, drop that in the comments for your boy. Hey, like I say, I ain't gonna sit here and act like I know everything, and I don't mind asking y'all questions because I know y'all point me in the right direction, man. Stop misleading people with some information, bro. Ask the question or tell somebody you don't know. All right, so that's all of our wires. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed, man. Let me get y'all set up. Let's go. All right, man. So we got our fan temperature switch sensor in there. So, all right, man. Let's go ahead and wire this puppy up. All right, y'all. So here go our instructions right here, man. Like I said, the red is gonna go all the way to the positive side on the battery. The black right there will go to that sending unit. Will switch right there. The browns will connect to my fans, and then you got your gray for your key on. All right, let me set y'all up, man. Let's go. Oh man, y'all had to run to get these 1-pin connectors. Well, yeah. Give me a second, I'm coming back. Whew. Hey, I just want to say I appreciate all y'all. I truly do. I truly do. Now, like I was saying, this is what we got to put on the end to connect to that sensor. Is this thingamabob right here, and that is a waterproof female disconnect. Was that part number 85255? All right. Oh, we gotta get the spaghetti right under here, man. Switched up. All right. Now all we have left is is our power. See this stuff out the way. Now, really, what I should have done was just tie these together for the moment instead of using these butt connectors, because I mean I am going to have to go back and clean all this up because it is temporary. We don't know if it's going to work yet. You know what I'm saying? So this is temporary to get it working, to see if it's going to work. Alright, boom. Now, let's come over here. And we do have another spot for these fans over here on this side. And these battery terminals. Little Allen key. Let's find the little Allen key. Bring y'all over here. Here we go. Alright. Take this, stick that in here. And we just gonna tighten it down. I can't even see if y'all see what's going on. Okay, so boom. Man, we got that wired up. Now, in this little package thing, I got the relay. And that is a, oh Lord, y'all can't even see. And that is a, what is up with this camera, bro? This joint is tripping. It's up. Yeah. Ugh. And they got the fuse, man. So let's put them in there. The fuse out if I can. Alright. I know I'm just toting y'all. Hey, what JG say, man? Hey, let me live with you, man. I like to show y'all everything. So right here, at this point, the relay goes in. Oop, like such. And then we got our little fuse housing right here. Push that in there like whim. And we got our little cap. All right, man. So we got everything wired up temporarily, you know what I'm saying, to make sure it's gonna work. Now, big disclaimer, bro. I'm sorry, man, but we will not be able to test it right now because guess what? We don't got a starter in the car. Yeah, that I was doing that video before this one, and yeah, so we don't got a starter in the car. Had to send the other starter back, and well, y'all will see in the other video. Y'all will see in that other video. This one is probably gonna drop first. Um, but until next time, man, hey, I appreciate y'all for checking out your boy, man. If you're new here or if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure, I already know y'all hit that like, you know what I'm saying, but make sure you hit that bell and, you know, hit all so y'all get the notifications, man, whenever I'm dropping these videos, man. Hey, listen, until next time, salute, salute, salute. Appreciate y'all.